And now for something a little more inspiring, Americans for Ben-Gurion University is supporting Ben-Gurion University faculty and researchers to restore Israel's environment, develop sustainable innovations, and train the next generation of leaders to tackle global climate challenges. We have more on this from ILTV's Devo Klein.
Israel's periphery has been deeply impacted by the October 7th massacre and the ongoing war. Fires ignited by terror missiles, bombings, and the movement of ground forces have devastated the region's natural beauty and fragile ecosystem, endangering the very land that tens of thousands still hope to call home.
It's an opportunity, but also obligation to help in the restoration of this area, and we are strongly involved.
Professor Yaron Ziv, former head of Ben-Gurion University's Goldman Sonnenfeld School of Sustainability and Climate Change, emphasizes the urgent need to restore Israel's nature reserves and open spaces. Without intervention, many species may struggle to recover. Take the South, for example. Each year from December to March, the region was once blanketed in vibrant red anemones. But today, many of those fields have been destroyed. And beyond their beauty, these landscapes are deeply woven into the community's identity, playing a crucial role in resilience and well-being. This is just one way Ben-Gurion University of the Negev applies ecological science to real-world challenges. Professor Ziv's lab works closely with farmers, regional leaders, and NGOs to develop sustainable systems that support both agriculture and natural ecosystems. This balance is especially critical in the Negev, where land and resources are limited. As Ziv notes, people are more likely to protect nature when they feel personally connected to it. BGU is turning David Ben-Gurion's vision into a reality, ensuring the desert continues to bloom. By supporting initiatives like the School of Sustainability and Climate Change and Professor Ziv's work, Americans for Ben-Gurion University supports BGU in shaping a future where nature and communities thrive together. A for BGU helps make it possible for hundreds of students from around the world to study at BGU as part of the English-speaking master's and PhD programs currently offered at the Jacob Lostein Institute for Desert Research in Israel. International students include those from developing countries like India and Africa, as well as the United States.
Is that I'll be able to take the knowledge and the best understanding in desert agriculture production and be able to implement those knowledge of irrigation, knowledge of nutrient management, specifically for precision agriculture for my region. And this will enable us to be able to become food secure, which is the major problem currently that we're facing in my region back at home.
These students not only contribute valuable research in BGU's labs, but also gain critical skills and knowledge. When they return home, they apply what they've learned to strengthen their own communities, creating a ripple effect of innovation and progress.
They get the knowledge and they take it and spread it and use it. And, you know, it's a small world after all.
In general, Professor Ziv says that BGU is dedicated to equipping the next generation of environmental leaders.
From my point of view, you know, there are three very important things: education, education, and education.
BGU and Professor Ziv's impact extends far beyond Israel. University leaders have played key roles on national and international committees, including the Managing Committee of the Society for the Protection of Nature in Israel and UNESCO's Man and Biosphere Committee for Israel. Their research is shaping the future of sustainable agriculture. For example, BGU scientists have developed vegetable strains that thrive in desert climates and can be irrigated with saline water, innovations that can be shared with countries facing similar environmental challenges.
There is a saying that if you change one person's life, you change the entire world, you know, something like that, a cliche. I think that, you know, we need to go student by student, one by one, you know, slowly, you know, think globally, act locally. That's another saying that we use in climate change philosophy and so on. So this is what we're trying to do. I think that producing the next leaders in the world, and in Israel definitely, from BGU is really important.
Join us in restoring Israel's land, nurturing its people, and shaping the next generation of environmental leaders. Your support for A for BGU isn't just an investment in the future, it's a commitment to resilience, to innovation, and hope.
You can scan the QR code to lead the way forward with Americans for Ben-Gurion University and support BGU's next generation of environmental leaders.